Morning, all classmates.
Morning.
I'm Chai Minh Jin. I come from Dang Yang. I come here. I want to talk about the Buddha story. The title is The Crippled Man and Blind Man. The crippled man and blind man, they were live they were live in one house. One day the fire broke out and both were scrapped. And the crippled man couldn't work out, and the blind man couldn't see the blind man couldn't see the way, and they decided to help each other. The blind man, the crippled man, pick up the blind man's back, and the blind man, the crippled man told the blind man where to go. Told the blind man where to go, and both were escaped in the burning house. Here is the lesson. Here the lesson of the story. Helping each other. The world can be, if we are helping each other, the world can be peaceful.